up there and has several. Here it comes.
Holy crap, like you could see it moving that way.
Oh, look.
What?
That's the start of it. What? I can't see.
It's kind of freaky. It's kind of freaky though, isn't it?
Yeah. Look, get way down there.
Oh,
Oh
gee.
my god, look at it. Look, it looks like freaking, it's like trying to form a tunnel right there.
It's starting to rain.
Oh my god.
You see one of these come down, but
Is it really trying to form a tunnel?
It looks like it is.
Holy crap.
Oh,
we got
oh my god.
we got
I'm gonna
places.
freak out. Bill!
Mom, calm down, please.
Look, it looks like it's starting to form a freaking tunnel. It does, it does.
Mom, it's okay.
It's just a cloud moving fast.
Yeah, it's just a cloud. You would know, Mom. It would, Mom, trust me. The sky would turn like oddly color.
Black like it is.
No, Mom. Whoa, that looks cool. It's not going to form a tunnel, Mom. I can guarantee. It's okay.
It's moving too fast. It'll slow down.
I don't think it's going to form a tunnel.
Look at all. These are all covered.
No, I didn't stop on.
I feel the rain.
It is a tornado. It'll be going out there. Come on, honey, baby.
I mean, look how fast it's moving. Here comes the wind.
Thanks, Bill.
Of course, now it don't look nearly as bad back there.
Getting clear over here, though.
Yeah.
Look how big the storm is. You can't even see the edge. Oh man, I've never ever seen a storm like this.
Yeah, I know.
I've seen some pretty nasty Naugatuck CT up there. Lightning touching in the water.
Look, isn't it like wispy winds like that around the edges that form tornadoes?
Yeah, but you need a lot of wind. There would be a lot of wind and you would know.
It already looks like it's breaking over here.
Oh yeah.
That tornado will start. It's going that way. We never touch here.
Still on?
Yeah, if anything, we'd be on the
Those
end.
guys chasing this tornado.
Yeah. They're not.
He's nuts, right? There's wind out there.
Here.